Alright, now for years, Samsung flagship Ultra lineup has been stuck behind a 5000 mAh barrier. But the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra is finally breaking through. We aren't dragging this out today. Leaks confirm Samsung is completely redesigning the battery structure. They are ditching standard lithium ion for a high density silicon carbon battery. A move that will radically change the power to weight ratio of this device without making it feel like a heavy brick in your pocket. Because silicon carbon offers a significantly higher energy density, the S27 Ultra is getting a serious capacity bump. According to the latest leak from Galaxy Club, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is going to rock a battery with a rated capacity of 5534 mAh. This will probably result in an advertised typical capacity of 5700 to 5800. This is roughly a 15% increase in raw capacity over the S26 Ultra. When you pair this new silicon carbon cell with upcoming software optimizations and extreme power efficiency from the next gen processors, we are looking at potentially the best battery life Samsung has ever delivered in a flagship device. But this massive power upgrade comes with a brutal catch. A painful price hike is almost inevitable for the Galaxy S27 series. Under the hood, the S27 Ultra will be powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor, which is rumored to be built on an incredibly efficient 2nm process. However, Qualcomm is reportedly raising the cost of this new silicon by double-digit percentages thanks to manufacturing bottlenecks at TSMC and the explosive continuous demand from AI data centers. The cost for just this new Snapdragon chip could soar past $300 per unit. When you combine that premium 2nm silicon with the ongoing inflation of components like the rumored LPDDR6 RAM, Samsung has almost no choice but to pass those costs directly to the buyers. We could easily see the S27 Ultra launch well above its current $1300 starting price tag. To justify that hit your wallet, Samsung is packing in some serious camera hardware and overhauling the sensor lineup. The main shooter is expected to retain the 200 megapixel count but upgrades to a brand new ISOCELL HP6 sensor. The game changer could be the integration of LOFIC technology or lateral overflow integration capacitor. This allows the camera to route overflow electrons and capture a massive dynamic range in a single exposure. That too without blowing out your highlights or requiring aggressive multi-frame processing tricks. The camera upgrades don't stop at the main sensor. Leaks point to a completely revamped auxiliary setup, a new 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a new 50 megapixel telephoto. Interestingly, rumors suggest Samsung might actually drop the older 10 megapixel 3x zoom entirely, moving to a streamlined high-resolution triple camera array instead of a quad setup. Even the front gets some love, stepping up to a new 16 megapixel selfie camera, up from the 12 megapixel sensor we have had for years. Again, these are all rumors, take this with a pinch of salt. Beyond power and cameras, Samsung is looking to close the gap in biometric security as well. We are seeing strong leaks indicating a new Polar ID feature which may finally bring advanced 3D face authentication to the Galaxy lineup, directly rivaling Face ID. It is expected to be housed within a design that refines the rounded chassis introduced on the S26 Ultra. The charging speeds also might get a bump, with rumors pointing to 65-watt wired charging to top off that massive 57 mAh cell. The real question is whether a massive 5700 mAh battery, a dynamic range boost with the HP6 sensor, and 3D face unlock are enough to justify what could be the most expensive Ultra device yet. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you willing to pay the Snapdragon tax for this battery upgrade? And if you're holding off on upgrading but want to keep your current setup looking fresh, check out our Wallverse wallpaper application. We keep adding brand new wallpapers on this application. We keep refreshing it so that you don't get bored of it. Go ahead, check out the link in the description, download the Wallverse wallpaper app, and do not forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store. And of course, do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.